Hello friends, I am Mohammad Rafiq. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see projections of line inclined to both the planes in that problem number 5. In the previous videos we have seen the question number 1, 2, 3 till 4, and this is fifth question out of 7 questions or 7 models. So let us see what fifth question says. Top view of a 75 mm long line measures 65, means top view is 65 of what? Of a line which is of 75 mm actual. So here top view is how much? Top view of 75 long line is 65. So top view is actually 65 mm, whereas actual length of the line, that is true length, is 75. So this is given data I am writing here. Front view is 50 mm. So as I said in the previous videos also, in every problem they will give maximum 3 things, out of which we need to utilize, and out of these 3 things one by one we have to use this and we need to obtain the remaining diagram. The pattern remains same, only given data will vary. So let us see the solution here. First, xy line, horizontally we have drawn any length. End A is in HP and 12 mm in front of VP. So assume this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. Assume this is end A. So end A is in the HP and this end A is touching to the ground, and this end A is from the vertical plane, it is 12 mm. So in HP, so A dash is here, 12 mm in front of VP. So in the top view, 12 mm down here. So this distance is 12 mm. Now top view, front view known to us, true length is known to us. Then what else they have given? Nothing. We don't have any theta value or phi value, so that we can take with respect to TL, and neither we have alpha or beta, so that we can take alpha with front view and beta with top view. So nothing is given. So now how to proceed? Let us see. So 3 things they will give, that is okay. Now what you need to do? We cannot draw 75 mm long line because we don't know the inclination, and other end height, that is A is here, where is B, that height also they have not given, neither they have given angle. So now what you need to do? You need to use this front view. So if you remember the pattern is front view will be rotated, and this rotated front view will go and it is connected with here true length, and similarly here top view is rotated and then projected here. So this true length will be connected to this top view. So that concept we will use. So here front view is 50 mm. So 50 mm, take this center, radius 50 mm. Like this you draw the arc. Okay. This is the center, radius is 50. Why? Because front view is 50 mm. Where is front view? We don't know. Just we have drawn the arc and projected vertically downward. You can start with top view also. You can take center, this top view 65 radius, and then rotate. So now true length how much? True length 75 here. Okay. So now take this center, radius how much? Radius equal to true length, which is 75. Center, radius 75, true length, cut it here. A, and this is your B2. As soon as you are getting in point, draw the locus. Okay, this is locus. Okay, now what we will do? Same procedure. Top view how much? 65. Take this center, draw an arc and continue the arc of 65 here, construction line till this level. So the 65 comes and meet here like this. Okay. Earlier here we have taken front view 50 mm, then we have projected. Like that here top view how much? 65. That 65 we will take and rotate till this level, because wherever A is there, from their level we will rotate. Then from here projected. From here vertically projected. So this is your top view and this is your B. Okay, now here if you come, this is coming from here 65 mm arc upward, any length. Front view how much? 50 mm. So this front view and this true length wherever it is coming are connected. This we have done already. So now this top view will be connected with this upper side front view, upper side true length. So this is the center, radius is how much? 75. Take this and cut this line, like how 50 here you have taken, and with true length you have cut this. Now with true length only we will cut to this top view line. So join this. So this is your B1 dash, and this is your B2. So if you join this previously marked arc, this is your true length, and similarly here if you join this two, this is also your true length. So this point, as soon as you are getting, draw the locus. So wherever locus touches this arc, this is your front view. Problem solved. So once again see, front view rotated, projected here, connected with true length. Top view rotated and projected, which is connected with true length. Front view, top view is given with this rotation we have dropped here, true length given, that arc we have kept. Similarly top view is given, which is 65, top view rotated and projected up to some length, then true length we know 75, with that arc we have cutted here true length. Okay, so now for general information, this is your theta, inclination with HP. This is called true inclination. This is inclination with front view. This is called apparent inclination. Similarly here, this is called phi, true inclination with VP, and this is beta. This is also called apparent inclination. Apparent inclination alpha and beta will be with front view and with top view, whereas theta and phi are called true inclinations. These true inclinations will be with true lengths in respective views or in respective angles, that is respective planes, sorry, HP and VP. So VP this downside, HP directly here. Okay, so now we will A dash, B dash, these points we will locate. Anything left? Nothing. So what is asked in the question that we will see, determine the inclination with HP and VP. So in the result we will write draw the projections of AB. First point in the result, projections of AB is drawn. Okay, then second point what we will write, determine inclinations with HP and VP. They can also call it as determine its true inclination. True inclination means nothing but with HP and VP. So true inclinations is theta and phi. So you need to measure theta, keep the angle. You need to measure phi, keep the angle. So this is how the problem is solved. So if you have any doubts, please comment. If you have anything to discuss with me, you are most welcome. If you like the way of explanation, please like, subscribe, share my videos. Okay, thanks for watching everyone.